You may have watched many tutorials on YouTube for getting free phone numbers for SMS verification, for creating Gmail or WhatsApp or business or Telegram accounts or any type of account that you want to create, but none of these videos or apps or online websites work. Today I'll show you a very simple and only working trick to get phone numbers for any kind of verification. You can use that OTP or verification for creating any type of account. So let's move towards it. You have to first of all open up your Instagram application. If you do not have Instagram application installed or you do not have Instagram account, I will also provide a solution for that in the end. So for those who have the Instagram accounts, open it, and after that go to the search button available next to the home button. After tapping in the search bar right here, how to official 0, you have to write exactly the same spellings as I am writing. And if you have written the right spellings, then this Instagram account will appear up. You have to tap on it, and after that you have to tap on this message button available on this profile. So tap on message, and right here I want a phone number for PayPal or Gmail or any type of purpose you need it. For example, we can write I want a phone number for Gmail verification, and just send this message. This is my Instagram account, and I will provide as many phone numbers as you want at a very low cost. So you just have to message me and you can get any number for any type of verification. And if you think I'm just a scam or I'm just lying, let me show you some proofs. Here's a client. I had provided my other services to her, and you can see that she is satisfied. And as this message is from 2023, it means I have been providing my services from a very long time. And here's another one. You can see that he's also saying a thanks to me after providing my services. And after that, he had sent me a payment. And my inbox is full of all the people who needed some kind of services, and I have successfully provided them. You too will gain trust on me when you'll message me on my Instagram account. For those who do not have an Instagram account to contact me, can just let me know in the comments and I will provide my WhatsApp or Facebook or any other contact. So I'll be waiting for you on my Instagram account. Thank you so much.